Today we're doing an oil change, eh?
An early one too.
An early one. What kind of oil are we using today?
Pampered. Pennzoil.
Whoa! Right?
Oh, buddy.
Go Sam.
Go Sammy. Go Sammy. Go. Go. Look how nasty that is.
Nasty.
Damn. Oh man, I feel like a real girl now.
Woo!
I'm a big girl now.
Did you just get your nails done?
What? That's my fingernail.
Wow, that is your fingernail. It's crazy.
The drain pan's under it.
All right.
Okay, ready? Okay. Here we go. It's just gonna squirt out?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's gone. It's a goner. It's a goner. It's a goner. It's like a soup. It's hot. Well, that won't
There
rust
you
now.
go.
That's not gonna rust now.
No, it's not. There you go.
There.
Man.
How tight?
That looks like it's good. A little bit more. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You're good.
Oh wow.
Oh, right there.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that's dirty.
Yep.
Okay.
Got the filter out.
Oh, done.
Yeah.
Done deal.
And ring the edge and lube
What's
up
that?
that,
Is that a gasket?
Yeah. There you go.
The dirty oil.
Right over here, under here.
Oh, yeah. Righty tighty, loosey. It's actually pretty fucking easy to do.
Yeah.
Now that I know what I'm kind of doing.
And then
Okay, under.
see these little slits over here?
Okay, match up the holes.
Yep.
Okay. How tight?
Just kind of loose for now because
Yep.
we still got to angle the
Okay.
whole thing.
Yep.
I'll do the other side and line the holes.
Okay.
And now I hear some Hank Trill.
I hear Mark.
Like, yo, there's
So many views.
right. The ones I got right now, you can't even see.
Oh, I know.
Instant fame.
I took mine out and had to wipe it.
Okay. Should turn the car on now, see what happens.
Yeah.
That'd be neat.
For the view, that'd be good for
Oh,
the
yeah,
views
it'd
right
be
there.
really good for the views.
Oh, okay.
You're good.
We got it.
Here's in case something explodes. Easy.
Good?
Stop.
Yep. Turn it off.
Well, and that's how you
too
change
bad.
your oil. How was that? Was that
That was
first oil?
great.
Wow, amazing, phenomenal.
Yeah, learn lots of
That's great.
stuff.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It was a little rough, but we made it.
Yeah,
Got there. We made it. We're here. We out here.
Thanks. See you on the
See you out
next
here.
episode. Bye.